We're now in a new state.
And we're celebrating our 4-year wedding anniversary. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Drew.
And I'm Sam.
And we're still moving.
Welcome to Georgia.
Neither one of us has really spent much time in Georgia. I've run a couple of races there, track races, and Drew, you've just driven through.
Yeah.
So this is going to be our first time exploring what Georgia has to offer, so we're pretty excited to be in a new space, a new state, and hopefully we love it. Almost to our new campsite.
Campsite.
Yay! We show up to a beautiful water campsite, as Zaela calls it. Basically a campsite on the lake, and she loves the water campsites. Zaela, do you know where we are?
Yeah, water cafe.
A girl on her bike.
Ready now? What? I know, you're so fast. Earlier in the day, we had got a message from Less Junk More Journey mentioning that we were going to be in their video. So we didn't really know what to expect with that.
Before we left Michigan, we did become patrons of Less Junk More Journey. And so we went to their meet and greet a few weeks earlier. And so I thought maybe it'd be me in the background picking my nose or doing something.
I came outside to this. Marissa's crying. I let her see what she's doing. She's okay.
It's happy tears.
It's happy tears. She's watching this.
We didn't expect for us to go swimming, but Zaela dove right in, and Knox, he fell in.
Just a beautiful family that we met through our Patreon. Shared their YouTube video with us. And it's just so encouraging to see them out making memories as a family. It makes what we do so worth it if we could just touch one person. My heart is just so full and happy right now, and I just love seeing people out living their best life and just being together.
So thank you guys for the encouragement, and we really appreciate you.
Open your window, baby.
Nuh-uh.
Yep.
There's a screen. What are you doing? Jeez.
Cheesecake. Hey guys, so still doing the daily running thing. Oh, check this out. In Georgia, man, in the spring, so much pollen. It's a struggle. A few weeks earlier, Zaela had lost both of her Barbies. She'd been working hard to save money by doing chores and things of that nature to earn enough to buy one.
That's $3. Let's find another quarter. It takes 4 quarters to make $1.
Do you have enough?
Yep.
That was a big bird. Mermaid.
Look at, here's your choices.
I got this.
Yeah, we already have that one. Oh, she's pretty. I like her. Do you? Okay, do you want to have your new Chelsea opened? All right, you worked so hard to get this money to buy her, didn't you? There you go.
I look like a mermaid.
She does. That's so cool. Good job. Well, the girls are on a date today. What did you pick?
This cookies.
Okay. You want the first cookie? Are we going to take some home to Daddy and share?
Yeah, and I want that one.
Oh, okay. Okay. What do you think? Was it good? Was it really good? Good.
So with Zaela, we've been intentionally taking her on dates one-on-one.
One of Zayla's favorite things to do now, thanks to Drew, is go to the movies. She wants to go to the movies and eat popcorn. I think she's more there for the popcorn, but the movie is pretty good too. So Drew took her once again to the theater. They went out on a little date.
Where's my date?
She got herself dressed.
And I got this.
Is that what you're going in?
Stop.
Yep.
There's a car.
You're right.
Can I run?
Yeah.
Yes? Do you have something for me?
Give it to her.
Oh, popcorn, thank you.
You got Mama popcorn. So with it being our wedding anniversary week, we just want to give you some encouragement, something that helped us a lot. And there's a book that we really, really like, and it's called Love and Respect.
And in the book, it talks about how women want love and men want respect. And if we show love the way we want to receive it, like if I were to show love to him and not respect, he perceives it different than the way I'm intending it.
Yeah, so it kind of creates what they call a crazy cycle, where she might be showing me love, but I don't feel respected, so I don't feel loved. And in response, I might not be showing her love. I'm just trying to respect her, and she doesn't feel love. So it just creates animosity, this crazy cycle. And so we have to break that cycle.
And so the crazy cycle kind of is where if I don't feel loved, then I react. And if he doesn't feel respected, then he can react. So it's just all about breaking the crazy cycle.
And we fall into it all the time. And thank God that we know how to break it. I mean, we were in it twice today, probably. So it's really just about identifying it and stopping it. And we just encourage you guys to look for that in your life, in your marriage. If you feel that you guys are in that loop of animosity, break it.
So we encourage you to check out the book. We highly recommend it.
So today is our 4th anniversary. So Sam went on a run today. She comes back tired, exhausted, injured foot, and she tells me she's going out for another mile. And so she went out for another mile for her 4th mile. So she literally went an extra mile for me on our wedding day. And I think that's kind of what marriage is about. It's about the relationship of always going a little bit further for that person. It's to be intentional about what you're doing.
Almost there.
break?
I'm on mile 2.5, so I'm on my 3rd mile. Just past the trailhead up there that is a shortcut home. I could run like maybe 1/3 of a mile and be home. It's the easy way, but I know that even though the run would be easy to get there, it's all downhill. When I get there, I'd be a little ashamed and the victory would be gone, the reward would be gone. So I turned down the same path, the 4-mile long path that I'm going on. Even though I'm taking a little break, I am gonna finish it. I am gonna run my race. I am gonna stay the course. I feel like marriage is that as well. Don't take the shortcuts because they're not actually going anywhere that you wanna go.
Today, Drew and I are celebrating our 4-year wedding anniversary, and to celebrate, we are going to go out as a family of 4 to dinner. When you're on the road, you just have to improvise a little bit. What better way to spend our 4-year wedding anniversary than as a family of 4?
Barbecue!
Good job!
Hey, baby.
Hey! Woohoo! Good job, babe.
Thanks, baby.
So we encourage you, break the crazy cycle.
And be intentional in your marriage and with your kids.
Go the extra mile.
So we hope you have a blessed week.
We'll see you next time.